Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ready to dive into a world of captivating audio? Audible gives you instant access to thousands of audiobooks and exclusive podcasts. Imagine listening to your favorite stories while commuting, exercising, or relaxing at home. It is a fantastic way to consume content, fitting seamlessly into your busy life. This quick guide will walk you through setting up your Audible account easily for 2025, getting you listening in no time. Your first step is simple. Decide where you want to begin. You can either navigate to the official Audible website on your computer or download the free Audible app on your smartphone or tablet. The app is incredibly user-friendly and perfect for on-the-go listening, while the website provides a comprehensive overview. Both options offer a smooth path to your audio adventures. Now it is time to create your account. The simplest way is to use your existing Amazon login information. Since Audible is an Amazon company, your credentials work across both platforms, streamlining the setup process significantly. If you are new to Amazon, do not worry. Signing up for a free Amazon account takes just a few moments. This integration makes managing your subscriptions very straightforward. With your account ready, you will then choose a membership plan that fits you best. Audible offers several flexible options, from monthly subscriptions that give you 1 credit per month to annual plans offering more value. Many new users can even take advantage of a free trial, which typically includes a complimentary audiobook to kickstart your library. It is a great way to experience Audible without any initial commitment. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy Audible. If you started with a free trial, go ahead and claim your first complimentary audiobook right away. Spend some time exploring the vast library. You can search by title, author, or dive into curated collections. Your Audible library syncs across all your devices, so you can pick up listening exactly where you left off, anytime, anywhere. Happy listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.